So, you know, make him simmer down for a little bit. Look at that. Simple little recipe. Just 3 ingredients, but very effective. Look at that. That's all. You don't need nothing else, guys. All right? Yeah, man. Nothing else you need. It's amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, you know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat-free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch. And stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love. And now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. So we got the pasta. We're gonna put some vinegar to wash it off. And we're gonna put some lime. All right, fresh ginger. You don't have to use vinegar. You can use baking soda. All right. This is not salt or sugar. Some people get it mixed up, you know. Yeah. So here it is. You want to make sure you wash this properly. All right, before you even use it, and that's why I want to do it this way first. All right, let's put this one side. Get the cooker on. Medium size heat. Hot water. A little bit more. You know, it's in already. Yeah. So that's looking good. The first thing, we're gonna put this inside of it. Parsley. Our flat parsley. All right. Yeah. Turn off this. And there's lime inside of it. Just like that. Yes. One more teaspoon. Very good ginger. So that's what we're talking about. The ginger is amazing, guys. This is one of the best ginger. And you see the ginger them look like this? They are one of the best. you must buy this. And they want to hard forget. Unless you're in Jamaica. Alright. Definitely. This looking really good. Alright. So let that simmer down for a few more minutes, which I want to encourage you to make at home if you have some time. This one definitely is one of those kind of tea. Parsley with the ginger and the lime. One of the best you could ever drink at home, guys. I'm telling you, I love it. It works really well. You know, when I'm away, I'm always drinking parsley tea because it cleanses you and detox your body, you know. So I always drinking parsley tea when I'm away. I have to find the parsley, you know. It's the only place I didn't find it, parsley, is in the Philippines. For some reason, there's no parsley. Yeah, I want to be the first person to plant parsley over there. Alright. So, you know, make him simmer down for a little bit. Look at that. Simple little recipe. Just 3 ingredients, but very effective. Look at that. That's all. You don't need nothing else, guys. Alright? Yeah, man. Nothing else you need. So we're gonna remove this. Alright. Yeah. And this ginger is amazing what I'm using. Here it is. Make sure you get yourself a copy of my brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipes to Success. All right. Yeah, man. We appreciate every one of you guys who take the time, go over and get yourself a copy of the book and support the progress, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipes to Success. Here it is. It's available on Amazon right now. So, here it goes. All right. You don't know a thing already. We have to keep it real. All right. Here it is. Yeah, man. You see that, people? I'm squeezing out it. Get all of that flavor out of it, the ginger and the lime. Okay. Now, I'm gonna say, if you like to put some honey, you can put a little bit of a honey inside of it. All right, yeah, man. But me personally, I drink it like this because this is also very good for the blood sugar. All right, if you put honey or sweetener or sugar, you spoil it. It doesn't make sense to make it. You're wasting your time. Drink it like this, you will get a lot of benefit from it. All right, guys, as you can see it for yourself, something healthy and delicious for you guys to make at home. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm going to give it a try. It's a little bit hot at the moment, so why not give it a try? Wow. So when this cool down, trust me, the flavor and the taste is going to be amazing.